Tutco Farnham's line of flexible heaters, including our silicone heaters, polyamide heaters, and even our mica surface heaters, which are often used in situations where flexibility is not required, are highly customizable and can be produced in a variety of sizes and irregular shapes. Using the convenient FlexSpecs tool located on our website, farnhamcustom.com, you can easily design a flexible heater for your application in 5 easy steps. Begin with the shape on the left, then use the sliders to adjust the size for your application. Continue by entering your watts and volts required. As you enter the specifications for your heater, the side panel will visually display your changes and provide the details of your configuration. The tool also allows you to upload a custom drawing if needed. Once you have finished, click the blue Continue button to move on to Controls and Attachments. There are 4 drop-downs under Sensors and Controls where you can choose a controller thermostat, a temperature sensor, a connector type, and finally an attachment method. When finished, click Continue to move to the next step, Leads and Connectors. Here you will choose your lead location, lead type, lead length, and any necessary connectors. Clicking Continue when you are done will bring you to the Application Requirements screen, which includes fields for your estimated annual usage, the initial quantity you would like to order, and your lead time requirements. You can also indicate if special requirements such as UL or CE are important. At this point, your heater configuration is complete. You can now move to the final screen where you can save your heater configuration to review or edit later, or you can send it to Tutco Farnham to initiate a quote. To learn more about Tutco Farnham's line of flexible heaters or to get started on your project using our FlexSpecs tool, visit farnhamcustom.com.